As you may or may not be aware, we have actually been given very, very severe weather warnings here in the United Kingdom, and I thought I would represent these warnings with the illustration of the United Kingdom. And the problem seems to be that Storm Angus is going to be coming. Storm Angus, represented by this carriage, is coming in from the top right, and it's going to go to the middle of the country, where it's going to meet Storm Archibald, which I have represented with this green Japoloni peppers. And they're going to meet together, they're going to form a whirlpool, which I've represented with the bagel.